Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. Today I want to review Huobi. Huobi is one of the leading cryptocurrency platforms and it's been around since 2013. It's a direct competitor of Binance. Both of them are kind of like the OGs in the cryptocurrency world. But Binance had a lot of problems with UK regulators. Being able to take out withdrawals and all that became very difficult. So I decided I'm going to find my favorite cryptocurrency platform. And that's when I came across Huobi. I also wanted to find a crypto platform that did not have very high fees. Huobi only has 1% in fees when you buy cryptos with credit card. Now, one of the key selling points for me when it came to Huobi is their security protection measures. It's never been hacked since its launch. I think that is such a reassuring factor for me when I'm trading cryptos. I don't want to worry that an exchange will be hacked because sometimes I probably shouldn't do this. Sometimes I forget to deposit into my wallet. I like to know that there is security in the exchange, in that their protocols are high enough that my cryptos and funds are protected. One of the best things is the multitude of cryptocurrency assets that Huobi has to offer. You can see here they have 396 crypto assets with a trading volume of $16 billion. $16 billion. Clearly they're the OGs, you guys. Because it's got a multitude of assets, it's basically like your one-stop shop where you can go and trade and buy and hold cryptos for lower fees. And not to mention, when you join, they have a $170 welcome bonus. You can just click on it right here. One of the things I love about the platform is the ease of use. So if you're a newbie or you're an advanced trader, it's pretty much straightforward for everyone to use. The interface is super easy. They've got a clear, option boxes at the top. So for example, buy crypto. You can buy cryptos with your debit card, or you can also deposit via faster payments. So that is with zero fee actually. And you have access to 348 cryptos that you can buy directly with 57 local currencies and 60 payment methods. So many different options. I love that. So here we can see the interface when we click on markets. You can search the crypto of your choice. As you can see, BTC, ETH, Polkadot, XRP, Link, all listed in a clear systematic order. You can just take your search and see what pairs they have that you want to trade. For example, ETH to USDT. So when you want to go spot trading, this interface is super easy. They have a very clear graph. You can change the graph depending on what you want. Let's say we want to look at the 1 week graph. Then we can see the trend like that. And then we also have the volume at the bottom. And here is where you place your orders. Here's your buy order for BTC or sell order for BTC, or depending on which currency you choose. Super easy to use. They also have derivative trading. So this is more for the advanced trader who knows how to use derivatives. So you'd have to open your own futures account. I haven't opened mine just yet, but if you are a professional trader or you're someone who wants to trade derivatives, they have that option. I mean, this is almost $10.5 billion of 24-hour trading volume of Huobi futures. You guys, this is great. When a platform has such volume, it means they have the liquidity. So that means your buy and sell orders can get fulfilled. And you guys, the welcome bonus is only there for another 7 days. If you're a new user, I would sign up. It's $170. I don't know anywhere that offers a bonus like that. And the countdown is 7 days, but remember, you have to do these basic tasks to get your $170. So, I mean, they're fairly straightforward and they all add up to get you $170. And you could also invite friends to get that bonus and earn your 30% commission. Now, here's something a lot of exchanges don't offer. Huobi offers staking. Looking at their platform for staking, there is not as many cryptos that you can stake, but so far they have Solana on there. As you guys know, I'm very bullish on Solana. They have XPRT and they also have CSPR. And these are the APYs you can get on these different cryptos. 30% is very good here. I love that they have the staking feature integrated into their platform, but you can also lock your assets to get free airdrops. So they have different options. For example, if you lock BTC, you can get Kava and it's an 8% APY. Look at this one, you guys. Lock Talk to get STF, 449.58%. Amazing. I love that. You just go through and see what suits you. They have so many different options. If you go into finance, they have different products. Huobi Earn, which is a new concept, which I want to talk about. Huobi Earn is where you can get APY on your cryptos. So if you click on Huobi Earn, you can see that you can earn up to 50% APY on your cryptos safely and easily. This is so much better than the interest rates we get at banks if you keep it in cryptos and you earn. I mean, look at this. USDT, if you lock in term of 7 days, 88% APY. These are fixed first timer exclusive. So there's loads of different options for APY. And obviously some have ended. Some are currently ongoing. So you can deposit in these. Oh, look, Shiba Inu. 88%. So these are all 88%, and these are all for new users to earn 88% APY. This is because of their 8th anniversary. This is such a cool treat for everyone. Also, when you want to keep a track of all your trades, your orders, simply click on orders. They have all the fiat orders you made, the derivatives orders, your earn orders. They're all systematically organized. I find this really useful, especially when you're withdrawing and you need to pay things like capital gains tax. It's good to have a history so you can see what was incoming and outgoing. We also have balances, so you can see your total balance. So in your fiat accounts, or what you have in your normal money that you can use to buy cryptos, in your, well, all the different accounts and options they have. They have so many different options. Now, let's talk about some fees, because some special fees apply to UK and EU. So between June 2021 and December 2021, special fees include the following. First is that you can enjoy a basic rate fee of 0.099% when you trade. And not to mention, Huobi also has its own token, Huobi token. So these Huobi token holders will have a discounted fee when it comes to trading of 0.07%. I find it so cool that they have their own token. I think tokens for large exchanges can do very well. Huobi token is basically the native cryptocurrency for the Huobi Global Exchange, and the number of Huobi tokens in circulation gets lower each month because of the burning concept. When a token burn happens, supply contracts, price goes up, it stabilizes the price. They have that too. And Huobi also allocates 20% of its revenues each month to buy back and destroy Huobi tokens. So if you do hold Huobi tokens, you do get the discount when you're trading of 0.07% basic fee rate. Also, users who use point cards will still be calculated at 0.2% from June to December. Huobi is definitely one of my favorite cryptocurrency exchanges. I love that they have the option to earn passive income through Huobi staking, Huobi Earn, Huobi Pool. There's so much on Huobi in terms of options, the number of crypto assets, derivatives trading, crypto loans, and there's a lot of help, and the customer support is also fantastic. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I've linked them all down below. This video was sponsored by Huobi. I had the pleasure of meeting some of the Huobi team at Token 2049, but genuinely one of the things I really love about this platform is the trust. A platform that has never been hacked, a platform that offers all these different options. They really take pride in security. And when it comes to your investment, that should be of utmost importance, especially when it comes to cryptos. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!